Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and make a logo for your clothing brand. So first you need to go to canva.com and then you'll be on the home page, and once you're on the home page you just need to search up logo in the search bar and you will see a logo pop up, and you click that and it will take you to this page here. And once you're in here you can just go to designs here and then find a design that you like that suits your clothing brand. For today I'm going to use this one here. It's a pro version, but there's heaps of free versions. And now you just want to click on here, and depending on what's your brand name, you want to change it to it. So if my brand name was named Fancy, I would leave it like that. You can change the colors: gray, white, purple. We'll go with gray because that actually looks alright. Or maybe this color. We'll use that color here. And you can add stuff here. You can move it up to here, and if you wanted to, you can see, you can go here, Canva apps, search AI, and you can go through these here and add stuff if you want to. Say for example, if I wanted to use instant AI art, I can open that. And you can add that, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to show you a few other ways you can go ahead and make a thumbnail. So now go back to design, and you just want to honestly just scroll and find the best one. I'm going to try this one here. Yeah, so let's name it Fancy here. F N C Y. And now you get rid of these and you move it to how you like it. Maybe to like that. And then you can move this closer. If you don't want studio there, you can just keep it like that. So if you want to drag all of this into the middle, you want to highlight all of them, and now you can just move it to the middle and align it. And that there is right in the middle. And if you want, you can change the colors. Oh, accidentally move it back to the middle. And you can change the colors if you want. You can go for a red color, maybe a yellow. You can go here and actually find the right color that you want. So just by doing that, it made it look just by doing that, it made it look a lot better. And you can just play around and whatever you like, and then once you've done, you can just click here, share, and click download. And that's how you make a thumbnail for a clothing brand.